Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 Series, I'm talking about 3 Series from year 2005 to year 2013. This should cover generation E90, E91, 92, 93 guys. And you need to remove or replace lower crankcase breather hose, also known as part of the PCV system guys. This is the lower crankcase breather hose that attaches, I think, to the oil pan, and it goes to the crankcase valve. Stay with us and we'll explain guys what needs to be done to remove and replace it. We'll include everything guys, so make sure you stay until the end. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically guys on BMW this generation, we'll have close to probably 400-500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. If you need to buy new hose or any parts, the whole PCV crankcase breather valve guys, I'll recommend to replace the whole thing. Go ahead guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. We share it for your convenience. Okay, let me show you what we have here now. This is specifically a 2006 BMW 325i. But if you have the 6-cylinder engine guys, that N52 N53 engine guys, many of them will use that design. Some have an updated one, but not all of them guys. So now guys, what we did here, we had to remove the upper hose as well, and we're going to replace the lower one. Now I want to explain what needs to be done, but unfortunately we were not able to show you, and we were not able even to do it without guys, okay, without removing the intake manifold. Okay, we will explain why in a second. If you want to see the intake manifold removal video, we will have it on the channel guys, check it out. Also I will try to put the link in the description of the video below. If for some reason I forget to do that, just search for on our channel for BMW E90 intake manifold removal replacement, and you will be able to get to it. So this is the intake manifold. Now the lower hose guys, breather crankcase breather hose, vent hose, attaches to that vent valve right here. So now this is probably something that you can probably disconnect it, even though you don't have so much room, but you may reach it and disconnect it. But I will show you guys what else we couldn't do right here. Okay, this one guys, okay, this one is where all the wires are. We couldn't reach to disconnect the heater wire. Heater wire guys is the one right here. Usually you have 2 screws here, so we couldn't reach on the back side to release it and remove it. Okay, something we couldn't do. Another thing, we couldn't reach to disconnect it guys because it was stuck. And from that point on, once we remove the intake manifold, okay, this is the lower vent hose guys, okay, right here, this is the lower vent hose, this is the heater for the hose. That's where we removed it guys. But now if you look at it guys, okay, this is the hose, it goes to the oil pan, and how you disconnect it from the valve and the oil pan, you can see you're supposed to squish here, okay, and when you squish, okay, it spreads those and it actually comes out. But in our case guys, it was really stuck, so that's all we have to do. Now if you want to remove it, all you have to do, disconnect it from the oil pan. But you can see, you get the idea guys. Some of you, I know, you were able to do it without removing the intake manifold. We were not able to, but if you want to check out the video and see how to remove it guys, check it out. Hopefully the video was helpful to show you what needs to be done, where it's located, how to get to it, and how to replace it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.